will like that little move there. Wait, the video finish?
Reaction.
Boom! What's the word, YouTube? It's about TIKI Vlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. RB stands for Reaction Boss, just in case any are watching the video like, what does that mean in the title of the video? Reaction Boss. I have it titled for a reason. Focus. Focus. Reaction Boss. Anyway, so we heard another Kenyan reaction, you feel me? I want to say shout out to you guys as usual. Y'all really supporting. This is like my third Kenyan video. Y'all sent me all the way to West Africa. I just did a song from Harmonies. I'm not good with names. Forgive me. But we're react to this song right now. I told you that I wanted a song where it's dancing from Kenya. I was writing to Toxic lyrically. I was writing to his song. I did 2 from him. Now this is my second artist I'm checking out. That's from Kenya. So if y'all got some more over here that's very lit, drop the number in the comment section again, or my Instagram at TIKI Vlogs, or in the comment section. But the main thing I want you guys to do, people, is like the video and subscribe to the channel. Like the video so the video get recommended to more people that's from Kenya and they can enjoy the videos with me too. Anyways, let's get straight to this video. Let's talk it. Let's see if we got the females dancing. Right now we see a fatty on the screen, looking very sexy and round. Let's go, right tune. Alright. I can feel the rhythm already. I can feel the vibes. I can feel it. You see me? Obviously, I haven't checked it out yet. I just pull it up on the screen because I want to do the first time reacting with you guys. Let's go. Yes! Whoa! Hold on. Okay. So like what they got going on. The artist, the group, it's a group. So it's MATATA. Okay, so the group, you see me, I say, is on the side performing the song. You feel me? Everybody's over here dancing. Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Hold on. What's going on? Oh, let me pay attention to this video because this video like it's going to be a classic music video too now. Let's go. We got bones, but not fatty with C. Fatty with C. But who wants to see bones? Bones, oh shit.
Malaria, kamna gelia, hapa Kenya kuna ni.
What the bumper clot? Let's go.
Zoke na konoria, lafu tumeseti tuko jaba na mawaria. Yune mana dera nina chapaneza kalia. Ai honey, me waka somebody. Leo me ordinary just somebody. Ai honey, please come down on me.
I'm getting what I asked for, right? I asked y'all for dancing. Y'all recommended to me. Thank you. Let's lock in. Like the video. Let's go.
Later seeking nice go to land. A kiss to the city, give me a kiss to your kitty. Kiss to infinity, na die on the pilling. Nasidani na kudai juu ya nyash. Nasidani umeniwai juu ya cash. Uko juu ya jaba tumeseti tuko on. Zimekana shiku RSBO. Wanadai form tuko na dimikishama huku kuna diwaganga mbio.
No cap. As much as I'm looking at the dancing and thing, I actually like the music video. The music video is actually nice. I bet you say they're commenting mostly about the music video in the comment section. You understand? Let's go. Still we finish it. In the phone booth. You thought I was gonna miss that? No, sir. What? Not in the phone booth. You thought I was gonna miss that? No, sir. Kenyan girl, am I going, sir? We'll take a trip.
Nina swali, nani motivate ma motivator. Swali, mbona crocodile si alligator. Swali, mbona urongwa ina kote pepa. Swali, mbona hupendi.
Tell me I'm tweaking. Did this man just catch a fish out the toilet? Let's lucky.
Serereka, ai honey, me waka somebody. Tell me ordinary cash or some money. Ai honey.
Yes.
Come down on me.
Yes.
TIKI TAKO.
Mejfanya kasiko na maliko na shiko. Nimeshika mamita so zabe mi siko.
No, I like this. Recommend more like this. Because I like this. Okay? I like. Recommend more like. Okay, go.
Ya 50 na rangi ya tao. Mwili ni ya nini kawezi jinao.
Tuko juu ya chapa tumeseti tuko on. Zimekana shiku 𝐎𝐍. Wanadai form tuko na dimitisha mahuku kuna diwa pande mbio. Tuko juu ya chapa tumeseti tuko on. Zimekana shiku 𝐎𝐍. Wanadai form tuko na dimitisha mahuku kuna diwa pande mbio. Gonna beads.
Oh my days. OMG. People, if you're liking this video right now, comment some fire emoji in the comment section. No. Like right. No. Let's go.
Kwa waist, nasikia wanakuwaga freak kwa bed. Mimi nataka find out just in case.
Hey.
Nita settle down, niko jaba yangu shika na karosta. Kajasho kananza kunitoka. Zinanishokele nimeomoka. Huyu dem mimi nambeba take away. Atakuwa mteja hadi next week. Mausiku nasikia ukiji DJ. Ukitaka ndakusaidia kumix. Mpige block alafu give me a kiss. Tuko juu ya chapa tumeseti tuko on. Zimekana shiku 𝐎𝐍.
They see my baby trying to copy every dance move they do in the video. But watch it, TIKI TAKO. Yeah, we like that. We like that little move the way them do. We like that little move there. Wait, the video finish? What the bumble blood pussy rascal? That was a good video. Yo, I know y'all enjoyed this one too. And if you watch the video to the end, we're finna confuse the crowd again. So if you watch the video all the way to the end, I want you to comment the letter B. Just B. No, nothing else, just B. Everybody gonna be wondering why y'all commenting B. We know because you watch the video all the way to the end, right? So if you watch the video to this part, I want to say thank you very much. Please leave a like. Just like the video to the video, get recommends to more people from Kenya. So we get more people watching and I will drop more videos for y'all consistently because I post every single day. I can, as you can see. So let's get straight to it. I'll see y'all in another video. Check out the West African video I did. It was a pretty dope ass video too. I enjoyed that video. So I'll see you in another video. Peace.